Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a new project in Unity. It's so simple. You just have to only click on new, and then Unity shows up some options for you. Based on the version you're using, you may see different options. The Unity default project will always be in 3D. I mean, the older versions were in 3D, and now these three options 2D come after 3D, and it has been for a long time. And high definition render pipeline and universal render pipeline are options that newly developed. These options are better for the graphics, but they require more power sources like better GPU, especially high definition render pipeline. But for this tutorial, I'm going using a 3D version because it's the most common version of Unity. Here you can choose the project name. I'm gonna choose this project, the tutorial. And then on the location, you can choose the path of the project that you wanna create. And then if you make everything up, you can click on the create and wait until Unity setting things for you up. So Unity may take just a seconds or several minutes to build up a project for you. It depends on your system hardware. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about Unity interfaces so quickly and in a small detail. From here in the scene tab, you can see the game, the environment or the scene of the game. Currently it's completely empty and you can see only grids on it. In the game window, you will see the game, how the player sees the game. And it's just the view of the camera that you put into your scene. From hierarchy, you can see your game object. Game objects are objects that are in your game. For example, in the GTA game, a man or a girl or a car or everything you see a game is a game object. For example, here we have main camera, and by clicking it, you can see the camera view that's showing you exactly the game view. It's because there are only one camera and this is the player camera and it's called main camera. And another game object is directional light. The directional light is the source of is the main source of the lighting in your game. You can remove it even, but for now I'm just gonna leave it as it be. Okay, from inspector tab you can see several things. I'm not going to I'm not going to detailedly explain this, but these are the game object properties and everything related to the game object shows up here. In the next tab, that is project tab, you can see the files of your project or the resources of your project. Currently, there are only one folder called scene, and in it, you can see the sample scene. Scenes in Unity are like levels in any game. You build up your environment and your levels into the scene. For example, here we have main camera and directional light only. That's it for this video. So in the next video, I'm gonna cover more things about Unity.